Present active participle is ends entis. We got to look at the stem vowel, and so I got to figure out what conjugation this is. And so first I look, it's I-O-I-R-E for my first two principal parts, making this a fourth, so it's I-E ends entis. Finding. Perfect passive participle should be really easy. It's just the fourth principal part, and it's found. Future active, again, should be really easy. You take off the US and you add UR-US, and it's about to find. Present active infinitive is just the second principal part, and it's to find. Present infinitive, present passive infinitive, this is not third or third IO, so I'm just going to drop the E and add an I. It's to be found. Perfect active infinitive is the third principal part plus ISSE, to have found. Perfect passive is just the fourth principal part plus SA, to have been found. Future active is the fourth principal part minus US, add urus, SA, to be about to find. Durus to form the comparative, I take the stem and add IOR for the masculine feminine and IUS for the neuter. Superlative is I take the stem and add isimus, Pulcher is again I take the stem and add IOR for the masculine feminine and add IUS for the neuter. And since this ends in ER, I'm just going to double the R and have it emus Dissimilis, again I'm going to take the stem, add IOR for the masculine feminine and IUS for the neuter. And since this ends in LIS, I'm just going to double the L and add emus Multus is irregular. I got to remember that it does not have a nominative masculine feminine form, so it's going to leave it blank. And it's just going to be plus for the neuter. The superlative is plurimus. Now moving on to the adverbs. Bonus is irregular. The positive adverb is bene. Comparative adverb is melius. And superlative is optime. You've got to memorize your 5 irregulars. Miser, the positive adverb, since it's first, second, it's just you add an E to the stem. Comparative is just IUS. And then the superlative, since it ends in ER, you're going to double the R and add ime. Gracilis, since this is third, I'm going to add an ITER for the positive because it's the third declension adjective. Comparative is just the stem plus IUS. And since this ends in LIS, I'm going to double the L and add ime.